ready. And how could you not? It's my pick of the show. But also, it's a really beautiful top. It's the Love is in the Air waffle knit 3/4 sleeve top. This is customer top rated. Now, you don't see that a lot in fashion here at theCUBE, so when you see that, you know it is something you need to go read online. Go read those reviews. Go see what people have to say about it. It is super comfortable. The hearts are really lovely, and it's just an easy top. $47.98 is your sale price, $15.99. Gets it home on Easy Pay, a 632-458, double extra small to 5X. We have that vibrant pink that you're seeing on our gorgeous model, and then, I didn't mean me, but here I am.
Jamie.
Jamie.
5'9", and she wears size 1X.
Girl, you are good. I was about to say Jamie, but I do not know her sizes, so bless you for knowing that. Thank you. Vibrant pink, bluebird,
Oof.
black.
Of course.
Of course. And then on .com, we have your most limited quantities in, oh, JK.
It's gone.
Okay, just kidding.
Yeah.
It is gone, and it was the new color this season, so.
Yeah.
All right, what did I say? I did say this, the sizing double extra small to 5X, 26.5 to 32.5 inches. Quick for reference, and then I'm giving Angel the floor. I am wearing a double extra small. I'm 5'1". Just want you to see kind of where it hits. Angel, we've presented this top before.
Yes.
And
yes.
you know, there's so much to say about this fabrication. It is beautifully done, this waffle knit.
It is. You know what? And that's the thing. Like, we take a look at the waffle knit and you think immediately, you know, thermal underwear, right? My husband works outside, so he has thermal underwear. But, you know, as women and in women's fashion, we love to steal from men's fashion all the time.
Yep.
That's where we have denim, because denim was originally made for factory workers and farmers, right? Because it was a durable fabric. So hence, we take the thermal look, but give you this beautiful, breathable fabric that has a nice texture to it, 60% cotton, 40% polyester, 3/4 length sleeves, round neckline, and then we give you that wow, that Quaker touch with the layer upon layer upon layer. It's like the heart is exploding, 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 exploding. And that is done in multicolored embroidery as well as sequins and rhinestone.
This is like the best of the best of the best.
Yes.
All in one top. I think that's why this is customer top rated too, because there's so much going on. Yet it's like, it's simplistic. Like, it's not overdone.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, the hearts are not huge on the top. Just the sizing is perfect. I'm going to turn it inside out because I want to talk about that.
You. There is a little metallic thread in here for my my Quakers that are hypersensitive, so just be alerted to that. But this one is not right up at the neckline, so you could wear a tank top or something underneath to keep it away from your skin. Melissa, thank you for doing that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, but yet it's still very smooth on the skin. I mean, if you were to, like, I don't have anything there, and it's still very smooth on the skin if you choose not to. I just want to throw that out there as well.
Yeah. And I love this because whether you have been quacking with us for almost 30 years, or whether you're brand new to our brand, this is something that is fun and whimsical, but very wearable no matter your age. And you can see on Jamie here, this is perfect because she's 5'8", she's very curvy, right? But the placement of the heart is above the center of the bust line, what we call the apex. It's above that, it's closer to the neckline, because we know that not everybody wants it dead center on the chest. So this gives you that option to have it just a little bit higher. So if you want to layer this under a denim jacket or under a cardigan, you can 100% do that. And as Melissa said earlier, I like to encourage you to wear hearts all year long because we need more love and joy in our world.
Yes.
And this is a great way to celebrate it and to spread that love. I like to call it the Quaker love. Because people will stop you and they may compliment you when they see you wearing this because it is so unique and different. And you can't walk into a store with the door and buy this.
Nope, it's exclusive to QVC. It's true. Thank you, Angel. I mean, you will get this nowhere else. P.S. Black sold out. So we lost 2 colors.
What?
Yeah. We lost 2 colors, so
wow.
We only have this bluebird that you're seeing on your screen and the vibrant pink, double extra small to 5X. This is a must-have. I mean, guys, we lost 2 colors already. Please just put it in your cart and check out. Do not miss out on this. It's wildly popular, customer top rated. So if you're like, okay, Angel and Melissa, I've heard enough. I want to hear what other people have to say. Cool. Just go to QVC.com, type in the item number A632458, and you could read what our QVC family has to say. And actually, I've never done this before or made this mention, but if people are new to Quacker Factory, there is a Facebook group that they can join, right?
Yes, it's called Quackers for Quacker Factory. It's not sponsored by Quacker or by QVC. It's just some fans that created it, and they go and show their love of all things Quacker, vintage and new, posting pictures. So you could request to be a part of that Facebook group. I encourage you to do that, or follow Quacker Factory on Facebook and Instagram, and follow Angel Smedley on Facebook and Instagram as well.
Please do.
So you can
she
get
has the best
little
social
previews.
media.
Thank you. Well, I like to post when we're going to be on so that we can invite everybody and make kind of a party.
Yeah.
And, so, that way you'll get alerts, or, you'll see when I post the shows for the week and all of that. And it's something that's fun. And then I love to read your stories, and I love to read the things that you say and what you love about these things. Because as you said, Melissa, when something's customer top rated, you took your precious time out of your day to go to QVC.com and to type what you love about this top. And our design team reads your comments because we want to learn from you and see what you're loving and what you're not loving, so that we can learn what to do next,
Yeah.
So
absolutely.
But I can totally see you wearing this top, Melissa, when your daughter is old enough to be in school and doing the homeroom mom thing.
Oh my gosh, 100%. I love anything with sparkle and shine. You know this. If you go into my dressing room, it's like an explosion of sparkle. And I'm going to be 38 next week, but I don't care. Okay, you are never too old to wear sparkle and shine and something fun and eye-catching. Fashion is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be unexpected.
Absolutely.
And this is a great way to do it. I 100% would wear this in real life. Of course in pink, because I just can't help myself. This is actually the most popular option right now, this vibrant pink. But you do have this bluebird. Great option too if you're a denim lover. Like look at this with the darker denim. Would be really pretty. And like I have a pink shoe. That's a nice kind of pop. So for $15.99, you can get this home to your door using Easy Pay, customer top rated. Join those groups on Facebook if you're new to Quacker Factory, because then you get to experience the brand for yourself and see what people have to say. It's an exclusive brand you're not going to find anywhere else. And all of these pieces are made so well. We've talked about this for many times, Angel, that you have pieces from years and years ago that you have washed and worn, and they are like brand new. So they really stand the test of time.
Absolutely. And, I was looking at that bluebird, and, the pink, of course, as it's popular and fabulous, it's my favorite, of course. But that bluebird is so unexpected and beautiful. And these colors are vibrant and saturated and look great no matter what your skin tone or hair color is. They just look great on everybody. And it just is a fun way to invite people to start a conversation about your love of hearts and about, maybe you will introduce somebody new to our brand here at QVC because we're exclusive to QVC and you can't get us anywhere else.
Yeah. And this is a great time to get it. I mean, Valentine's Day is in a few weeks. So maybe you've just been looking for a top because you have a special function coming up and you're like, what am I going to wear? This is so nice because it has a little bit of a dressier element. So if you do have an event where you have to dress up a bit, throw on a pair of darker dream jeans, throw this on a little baby kitten heel, and you're put together and you're ready to go. Super comfortable. Love that 3/4 sleeve. It's our most requested sleeve here at the Q. This really comfortable waffle knit has great stretch and recovery. And you can do a half tuck, a full tuck. It gives you that really nice length, 26.5 to 32.5 inches. So we already lost 2 colors. You're probably gonna wanna pick this up while we still have them in either the vibrant pink or your bluebird, A632458. $47.98 is your price. But guess what? If you pay today using Easy Pay, it's $15.99. You know what I'm gonna say next? If you use that Q card, you get 5 easy payments. It'll spread that out even more. Oh my goodness gracious.
She's ready to run.
She's ready. Well, we're done. So now you can go feed her. She's like, all right, Mom, like, let's get out of here. Let's wrap. Thank you so much, Angel. Stay warm and
Thank you,
cozy
my
in this
friend.
weather, sweetie. Mwah. Love you to pieces.
Stay safe.
All
Love
right, you too. Bye-bye. All right, well, the one and only Kathy Levin is coming up for the next hour of Dominique, but I will be back at 10 p.m. with anybody. But in the meantime, I do want to send my personal prayer